After all these things, share the ebano. Makacha Ghana for say pen tokwa men kan tokwa. Na me dwen say nra no anka de chi yi anka mo bebon but obi aye din. I say yene we hit where it hurts. Bibi aye yana na yebo. Iti we de me maye din na me twen. You so a din no on sambra. O ba me hiti wo. Me hiti bibi e hiti, bibi e ya. Me jabe na ma bo bibi e be haw. Enti na me dwen say anka me ba enra no because 10 days I was in Ghana. A lot of people were talking. I didn't say anything. You better enra na ma correct mistakes ni nyina. Na me dwen say anka mo sorry na anka mo be bon ko. So mo bon a na me charge. Na me muscles ne ba. Ai na just me charge. Na me bo baby e ya. Enti dey say already on tia se no on sambra. Dey say ne din no on sambra me bo baby e ya. So mo pese me toa so a. Mo pese me toa so ko du pa 10 a. Do oye be ma ye oba ne tusi form no on kasa. Mo nyina makwele in. Mo bia nkwele in. Me what time. I am sure when I'm straight. Me what time, Papa. And when I activate the Conan the Destroyer, when I start to activate the Conan the Destroyer, it's dangerous. It can kill me. So me activate Conan the Destroyer. Nipa na badwe say o protect no metumi e the Conan the Destroyer. Me the expose no metumi dia finish no. Ntim se de oye bema part 2 will come. But me besa de oye oba ana oye bema otuedua no onyi ne tibiem. I control you people and what you do. Ope one district, one factory, or internet is what I am me. I decide the NPP where they should pass. I decide it, not any of you people. Inti se me tu kwan na me koya ade na mu yedede na me mbaya kai se u yedede ni kwa. Part 2 of what I did yesterday is going to come. Ba me pedi oya bema na oba. Enti na me ka okasa kwa me say ujina menim se saman. Na de wu protect no ene na me boma na hana koma. Mati nyansa se ma me ka kire mo no. De obadwe se obe protect no and none I will go after you there. You are nothing. But I will use you to hurt what you are protecting. It's what you are protecting, no? Say, Odo, what you are protecting, pa. Never try it on me. Nankam Jun send I'm sorry, no ka gidi. Anka gidi, come about gidi time, and me enjoy me home or Ghana, no? Now me just the same energy in the pace and what the beba. I'm saying Ghana politics, there are no angels. See, decided say become wasema. Men you are going say you are an angel in Ghana politics. Nobody is an angel, especially when we decide to respect. But mama the Conan the Destroyer, your teacher na. Makajam say part 2 will still come because you see, sometimes we need to teach people lessons. Send by your messia be free. And some no, yakasi ya kani na sabio nipedi buha. Yentia sempa. Inti Monsieur Nyansen for the past 24 less than 24 Monsieur Nyansen no mun keeping it sa. Na do so your buy a bema no. Na me just send them wa be dede. Me de wo ye dede mo no na me bo baby eya baby eya. Uni baby eya. Baby eya ni nipa na wo protect no. Ono na me bo ni yem. What do you mean here because I don't know you. You are not relevant. You cannot change anything. Your voice does not go anywhere. It only echoes around your room. But nipa na protecting no ono na mebo no manaya ya. Unim time esati adwuma we. And nobody is going to get a car from me. Men talk car mo bia wo America ha biem. And this my adwene say mo titi krom ha na mo be kama asema ma talk car mamwa. Men talk car mo bia biem. I am not ready to buy car for anybody. We tina hit rough. Nti, I just wanted to make this clear. And me pese mo a mo betena social media kasa no. Me be adie bi. Because of adie bi esi na nsen. I am going to expose some people on the internet. You may be on my year behind the scenes. Or more gays or Ghana, or more content creators. I am coming to expose majority of them. There's a reason to me by side away. Send a bear and be brave, Suyansa. Multi social media a defending call for no. Before you come out to say I'm defending this, defending that, defending this, I had you answer. You need to think about the person you are about to defend. Because in your line of trying to defend the person, you might destroy the person. Obanyansa for the say. Moi multi social media essay. You be defending way. Kevin Taylor, you be defending way. No me say. Defending or defending the hame. I don't have a problem because I don't know you. I don't care about you. You don't have more reach than me. None of you on social media has more reach than me. So nobody intimidates me. None of you. That is why nobody is relevant to be mentioned. Nobody. By in that process, I will try to defend somebody, no? You need to understand, say, now, ended the career of that person. It's answer about say, because me Kevin, it will protect way, me can way, no, making sure, say, on destroy Sani Pano. Because one no assembly to destroy will be life completely. Inti, where there. Men chawo hu. Me catch them. The past 10 days, na mu yede de pa. Me bedri obi aye din. And when I'm here, part 1 of J.A. Kufuor. Part 2 is ready. Part 2 is ready. But I want you people. Mo na mo say, mo si mo bono. E mo mema mesri wan kokora. Mo yusu mo ho yusu mo to ho. Na mo te Ghana mai se nkusie na and mo use mo meye dede. Na me fa part 2 mra. I want to prove, say, I control. And just not control. I know because Kevin there, a hand time. She. A hand time. Uni nipa bra san yedru hano. Ka on kan hand time asamo ha. Because man come story a chewa unhu story da. It is always I make a story. I don't sit and say Kevin a hand time. It is hard work. Credibility is intact. And being focused all the time. And son about come as some say, only me babe banta on internet no so. Busa who say, now why any Kevin I sad now was survive whether in America or in Ghana. Busa who say question the first. So we kuna busa who kuna say question no, and now we hear busa we hear say question no. Say Kevin ya would was some corner so no. Why na I started with Kevin why you okay BM? Ask yourself that question before you dare try anything like this. Because Jesus Christ ne kan me go to Jesus no we say Kevin go to Jesus wrongly. It before you take that job, before you decide to say I'll take on this guy, make sure say you are going to survive it. It say cast your eyes or your mind back and ask yourself, obia bia na minim ni bia on Kevin Taylor yes or ne be henham no sa nipa no we hin. Fe no tu hofo. It does not matter your location. It does not matter, baby, what's it. It does not matter your tribe, who you are. But first, before you do that, ask yourself that question. We saw Kevin Taylor about prime time TV, radio, social media, whatever. Obia on him start have they been okay ever seen ne? We saw our question. Start casting your mind back. Now, but let's not say. Yan 1 1 1 1 ebe sinne na busa ho. For politicians fra fa mwanga mo colleagues or more Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, social media, mon form mon ka ho say, let me select one by one. O try. Wa worry be good. What try? Sebi wankasa wa you miss yourself. What try? What de mankasa obe kasakra ukununte o yerente. It is very, very tricky. Don't take things for granted. Maybe team. I'm just receiving this information. Detention in The Hague, Netherlands, of Honorable Member for Asante Achim North constituency, Mr. Kwame Ohene Frimpong. Team, let me read this. Nayan Twaso. That means maybe a by-election because so. I don't know how I control Ghana elections. That means by-election because so. I don't know how I control Ghana elections. So by-election because so. I don't know how. They be a say MPP, the opposition 42 years now. I feel will be now. We will come to that matter. We will come to this MP's issue. I just had to read a little bit of it. But Drew, I'm making kind of ama Asante Achim for Atiasie. Yeah, the Ashesha so. Fumoko Ntim Fourdjour trum difo. We too kind afena maba. Akwa weka se oko court. Because you see or trum difo echo see saying oma ni gay friend no 7 days. Yeah, yako 15 days. Mumusa eye Ntim Fourdjour say. No one court tribune. Make us some Ghana for a month. No one court tribune. Make us some Ghana for a month. We TS. Ntim software, Ntim D4, Ntim Fourdjour. Asin South MP, Obekacha Ghana for say, oh, a man for so di true. Inti, the gay partner na some Obekano, or the gay partner no air court. Mumusan say, court in way nyanko. Mr. S, Mr. P, get me the letter he wrote. And the date he wrote that letter and released that letter. Now, me can't check Asin South of one month, as I say, Omo MP no di true one crying, or bois. Na sa letter no de dada mo eye Asin South for, on Besamo Bechide Woods or trum D4. Anti-LGBTQ when someone can, Papa way na or dada, but Mumusan say, I don't want court. 7 days now, or dema, Nyonkuna or didn't true muno, and then Nyonkuni didn't true muno. Mumusan say, I didn't know 7 fan court. I didn't know MP Nika so beko court no. One fast seminar court. One fast court because in the first place, not we did true no onim. No just so betum the sa letter no ehuna edi ehuna ni gay partner no. Enti, you see what I was telling you? Mamun just uncle for Wendy. Trumudifo way Ntim Fourdjour. Nobody should believe this guy. He's a criminal or a crime for. Enti, per his words and his letter. I was saying, I catch them say, "Akwa we di trumu or you gay." Because all kind letter of the mama, Mr. P, Mr. S, get me the letter because when him the ambassador here, me ambassador kind letter not Ghana for busa akwa we say now letter na we try no branch the car say emfa no court na I didn't know one court no because no dada na sorry for no na or dada na yere na or dada nipa mo MPP mu. Na onim so mo agimi nti o de sa letter ne tum frame mu a sebio obi abeyi na adwene firi so e na abrante na okodi ni turu mu no abrante no so enka na asebu biom e na abrante no he or she ni say on pene de o maye no maye opa ofan court mumbusa Ntim Fourdjour say adenti na wan court etwam 7 days o man 7 days. Mr. P, team, pull that for me. Na me reading Ghana for letter no de buy no date or release letter no adentina still yet ha on court. How can such a person be a member of parliament? Akwa we make am say uncle for we omo dada mo Ghana for. Omo di trumu omo ya no be am so yam pass the law. oh yan pass the law emrante ne mabawa no we mu na tua kese trum darlings we mu sa trum darlings we mu no omno mutua na we ne na mo se oye MP oye sofo. He's a criminal. Mame nchira letter na enie. Mame kan letter na nchira. There's a letter that he released. Now only nipo a lawyer. Lawyer nkuta jene. O release the letter. Then o cho letter nim. Or say. Oh, that's the second part. Mame kan ni nyina ntu ase. Kromfo sofo. Tumudifo sofo. Muna mugu Christopher edim ase. Ewifo mo sora na madane mo ho. Ye asofo. Ye gina sore na Christopher no mu bi na mo agimi ntra. Ena nkofo betuma daada mo. Mo e Christopher bi na mo agimi. Ena saa tumudifo we mo betuma daada mo. Me say mo asori na okon mo musan say aden na wan kokot no. Na ma men kan letter na nchiro. Ntim Fourdjour tumudifo darling. Now, demand for retraction and apology for vile and defamatory material of and concerning Honorable Reverend John Ntim Fourdjour, MP, circulated worldwide on digital platforms. Let away a free a year. The lawyers so. Letter 1. We act as lawyers for and on behalf of Honorable John Ntim Fourdjour, Member of Parliament, Ascent South, and rights pursuant to our client's strict instructions. Or say, yeah, lawyers man Ntim Fourdjour, one chair kitty say yan chokratan famro. We make reference to your vile and defamatory material of and concerning our clients which you published and or caused to be disseminated multiple times worldwide through the deliberate use of widely accessible digital platforms, including Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, falsely asserting as fact that our client is gay and has had sexual intercourse with you. These statements are categorically denied and entirely without factual foundation and were made recklessly, maliciously, and with complete disregard for the truth. Almost say, let an a client in Ntim Fourdjour na share say na the all can you say, wo magazine. Ujina we are sending time kesi so internet so different platforms Instagram, TikTok, and a ugu or no Ntim Fourdjour who feels say we do true mu. Until letter ye trama no Ntim Fourdjour na amaye asha ye say yentro say we gu ne hu feels or no Ntim Fourdjour no or the be ma asha woto. And also they obey my share to and ama sebio ewiase nyina ehunu se oyetumdifo inti krata ye tro no eyensema wo tro a e won framem a obia behu se Ntim Fourdjour di tumu ene na ose ye tro nka nkire wo se de wo ye no na eye nia hobon nsem sebio weni da ho na ugu anim ase inti ne ye tro abrew brofo no kura nyanse bi anim. Our client makes bold to say that you are a complete stranger to him. He has at no material time met, seen, communicate with, associated with, or engaged in sexual intercourse or any form of sexual contact with you. Your assertion is an improvisation of your wild imagination and that he has never been involved in the dirty acts of intimacy with a fellow man or any indecent sexual activity. Or see, let I actually Ntim Fourdjour say and can't say. In some na wakeka kani nyina no atro nko na wudi sebio wa adwiri mu na ye wo say one na da ebo edo be ma hye de to e ma ono so de be ma hye wo to na Ntim Fourdjour say yan kan kire wo say sansensem na wakeka say ono odi turumu a wodi wuturumu a wo so wedi ne turumu no sansem na e wutirim na ma wakeka san kwase asem no no ne de ogidi say san nyoma no onfa ne hu mfrofrom enya de obedi be ma toma be ma edi ne to enya de ode be ma betu nanum na wa wesa na be ma no so de be ma betu nanum na wa wesa into ne de o hye lawyers ne say yan kan kire wo say san sensem na wo keka ne san nyoma no ono Ntim Fourdjour onfa ne hu mfrafram me kind of brofo na medwudwam lawyers in the letters omo tro a date so 27th of April 2026 afi we eye April busumi atwemu na omo tro letter we e de koma eye magazine say omo hye no busum nanson letter ni nie and eye busa say Ntim Fourdjour adenti na onko court abotoriwa lawyers with a chat for when obi can chat GPT for le brofono okay insist so. Now point 4, your vile and unguided statement culminated with the flagrant abuse of digital publishing platforms have exposed our client to public ridicule, contempt, and opprobrium. Hey, opprobrium, opprobriability, and opprobrium, and have caused substantial and ongoing damage to our client's personal and professional standing. Lawyers in the magazine, I'm saying, in some na wake kambu bosso actually chiremagige magana fo nyire hu say Ntim Fourdjour de obema to nanum or the ono so obema hye na se ana ne to ono woda amuni mu ompa so sebio edemonsa ewo wo moto ema sebio obi akam nyoma waye no se sa de wo de gu ne hu fi ma ne kra ono Ntim Fourdjour ne kra ra ho inti ohun ne say sa de na waye no wabom gu ne hu fi abre na se ema ne to afo Mijijum opprobrium. Number 5. Watch the brofo. Otete. Abufnu. The reputation damages you have caused our client is incalculable. Hey, brofo ayaka. Incalculable. Hey, that's a very bravo. Hey, the reputation damage you have caused our client is incalculable. Incalculable. Hey, where the chat? Where your chat? Hey, they're going to client to tuna Canadian tiasia. The reputational damage you have caused our client is incalculable, given the fact that it is your advertisements that you are also active on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and many other places in the digital world. What the heck is this? Almost say, lawyers in the track of my magazine, almost say, almost client a Ntim Fourdjour say, it dear why yen in summer watch rotrono, Sibio, a buakuma, a tiyum, a one sumun, a chakumem. And if an incalculable. Oh, the work to brother Kujichi, me po me wow. Hey, incalculable. Hey, mo. Chat GTP, there's a GPT, the judge. Chat GPT, when no what trouble you, the lawyers no. Mr. S, get me the picture of his lawyer. Lawyer Nkuta Jene. Boy, now waiting for 10 years, no. On any Ntim Fourdjour lawyer. Now, I mentioned the last part of the release, and our letter. No, but see, I'm paying you. Udi tuo the year no otete. Watch your letter. Now, point 6. Point 6. Me jam. Ntim Fourdjour one not set pito boto one funu se pito kra. We have the full instructions of our client to demand your immediately and permanently. We have the full instructions of our client to demand you immediately and permanently cease and desist from making any further defamatory statement about our client. Almost say, yani lawyers Emma Ntim Fourdjour to D4 or see any minimum show and the 27th April 2026. Say and the waka and in summer waka egu Ntim Fourdjour who fin say sebio amount focus and the tutokro esun. Sebio Bearman and Fefe no almost say lawyers to Ntim Fourdjour almost say any 27th no on Jaika on kin who home. Memma na numpo empare say obeka sa asem ni biem ewo entin tan kase so. Mijujum. Number 7. Further, we demand an unconditional retraction of the defamatory material you have gratuitously. Hey, but now that you when gangas over the mame. Hey, anyway, but just how you know. Hey, gratuitously. Na mama Jimmy yara. Hey, we client akwadi obi to na o mekante te ne ho no Ultra gratuitously. Now, Mami Jujum, Mr. Thank you for bringing the picture of the lawyer. Lawyer when a letter me we are because ampa modern day lawyer ampa modern day any nyina chiwempo chat I GPT ya no anu you see. Now I'm making can we na me Jujum bibi mu kire o. Na me sure lawyer na o letter we no. Sa kofu emu ni me ohun. Megu mu party dwedwe grebulize. Mo ana me ka bibi kire monte yo. Now, my mention let number 0.7 says I can't find the 0.7. Further, we demand an unconditional retraction of the defamatory material you gratuitously fed the whole world, and render an unqualified apology to our client. Almost share a year magazine, no? Let away a 27th of a day, 27th of April 2026. Busumi etwemu and omocho sa letter no. Guys, I'm struggling to find the picture of the lawyer. I have it, team. I have it. I'm just trying to pull it out. So, okay, 0.8 now. 0.8 is say. Now, okay, I've gotten the lawyer's picture. Thank you, Mr. S. 0.8, dear no woka. I'm say, wa combine BBO. 0.8. Sorry, I was trying to pull something out. Now, 0.8, take notice, and notice is hereby given that if you fail, refuse, and/or neglect to comply with the terms of this letter, 7 days, 7 clear days from 27th April 2026, our client shall seek legal redress without further recourse to you. Mamenkai 0.8 ni biom. Leo ya notra akoma eye magazine Ntim Fourdjour trum di partner no or say. Your client ni say, take notice, and notice is hereby given that if you fail, refuse, and/or neglect to comply with the terms of this letter, 7 clear days from 27th April 2026, our client shall seek legal redress without further recourse to you. Please be advised accordingly. Yours faithfully, Lawrence L.K. Botry Jr. Esquire, Counsel for Honorable Reverend Ntim Fourdjour. Almost say, Mo magazine in some now okay can ended 27th of April. Busume chemwi say Sebio. Why nya wadwene se obesakra wadwene no beka wano atum se bema no eye your client Ntim Fourdjour diu and also edi ne to a na se oya wadwene se wuntie de ye ka se ka wano tum na de esie ni nyina bre na se a o se Ntim Fourdjour amom se from the 27th of April busume twemu no 7 days pe se we njai ana wan ba bontene ambe twe ansan ambe bu nkotodwe ambe pachawo ambe kire Ghana for se wenunu ho a omoma no enna enson eye Ntim Fourdjour from the 27th of April no obewura court ema court edi asem no amo Ghana for nyina hu se Ntim Fourdjour ondi trumu. Now lawyer na ochro letter no onie your friend Kwesi Botry we any Ntim Fourdjour lawyer akwa we na ne maame edi 14 no so edi 9 no enkwasi asem na leti Ghana o we ni Ntim Fourdjour lawyer letter or try no AI letter san kwasi afo we gugu MPP mu. This is what we've been talking about, modern day lawyers. This is the guy or yeah Ntim Fourdjour lawyer onye we na cho letter no enkwasi asem say Ntim Fourdjour nim so di trumunti hwa akora bi akofa ne so o me lawyer we na lawyer o ewrade na me busa Ntim Fourdjour me say 7 days na twem. What's up?
My lord, it's me. Sorry, my lord, it's I. It's I. It's I, lawyer Nkutajmi. Please, my lord, can you give me a time I explaining things to you? The case is old case. It's 1978, 28th century, the case. But it's not now the case. Thank you, my lord. Yes, please, my lord. My lord, it's me. Sorry, my lord, it's I. It's I. It's I, Lawyer Kutajmi. Please, my lord, can you give me a time I explaining things to you? The case is old case. It's 1978, 28th century, the case. But it's not now the case. Thank you, my lord. Yes, please, my lord. My lord, it's me. Sorry, my lord, it's I. It's I. It's I, Lawyer Kutajmi. Please, my lord, can you give me a time I explaining things to you? The case is old case. It's 1978, 28th century, the case. But it's not now the case. Thank you, my lord. Yes, please, man.
Make a chance say we only chat GPT lawyers. We ultimate sa letter no. Gratuitous lawyer. Enkwara go MPP mu. This is a gratuitous lawyer. A clear-cut gratuitous lawyer. Here, go and do your own checks. You will see. This is the letter. You see? Let me show you. See. This is the letter. Now, see. I'm telling you, go and do your own checks. This is the letter. This is what he used in writing the letter. Ntim for your lawyer, no letter no try no. A chat GPT and no the Troy. This is the source. Current chat history. From the message here, I did help refine and draft several texts and letters for you recently. So it's possible part of the wedding came from our. From the message here, I did help refine and draft several texts and letters for you recently. So it's possible part of the wedding came from our earlier conversation. Ntim for your lawyer, kwesi botwedu. Onya sankura we kwasi small boys we. These are liars. These boys. Wemu. AI letter. Omunya she abonfo ewifo nkora criminals. Eno no beka che se oma magazine no. Magazine kura court betima ka che court say, "Hwe akwa we letter na o try de kura bodo enyo no na try. Kwasi ampanyi wetumi a lawyer. Ye nam Ghana na kwasi afo we some lawyer. He was the assistant of AI and o letter we. This is a gratuitous lawyer. Gratuitous lawyer. Oh, try gratuitous. Abofunu. Enti yebusa Ntim Fourdjour. One mama fe Ntim Fourdjour so picture to ankwasiafo. Enkwasiafo. Motete Ghana na ankwasiasem na yemu de. Ntim Fourdjour so nie. Ne lawyer the AI actual letter. Ena mumie ni so mo court. Mushi omo a mumu so mo say letter no kra troye no. Letter na troye no. Ono na troye. Kwasi ampanyin. Foolish boy. O ma me wo no wedi 14 years. Stupid boys. These are the people following by Omiao. Very dirty people. Very foolish dirty people. Omo kan kra ewiforma, ajantra forma. Ena mo benya trumudifo no mo na ena na party nim. Omo na namba Omia ho ena na yere ho. These people are not supposed to be given any opportunity to speak anywhere. Say, Wemu, Obribium lawyers, gratuitous lawyers, these foolish boys. They cannot even write simple grammar. Now, kwasi I'm paying what you to say, or your lawyer. Messi me busa Ntim Fourdjour say, that bang no beko court. Kwasi I'm paying what we are to do for gay like you Ntim Fourdjour. Gay like you. Prove to us that you are not gay. I'll be back. I didn't dare do the part there. Ushema. The didn't do the Ushema. They will sack me.
I will sack you. Sack me. Sack me. It's too much. Every day they sack. I'm standing here. Sack me. If you sack me, I'll go my hometown. And make the trial. I mean, what am I getting some nonsense, man? Bull. Oh, to bull. Bull, man. The vegetable boss, I don't know. I can't say this is a minute before. Because I do my me. I got you down. I will sack you. Sack me. Sack me. It's too much. Every day the sack. I'm standing here. Sack me.
Ghanaians must sentence that generation of thieves, that generation of robbers and looters to 40 years in the wilderness. Anybody that had anything to do with President Akufo-Addo Bawumia administration should be sentenced to 40 years political wilderness, right from the national level to the regional executives, to the constituency. The MPP owes Ghana that to clean up the whole system and allow a new breed of people who are selfless and who want to serve this country.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
Mr. P, Mr. S, please make the announcement. Say, Omo mo betie Kufuor asem no, ye wie Kufuor asem no, omo nko na nke nyansafo no. Hai, munyina mo nko. na enke nyansafoɔ no na en discuss Ghana ho nsɛm enti innwan na mo ba ha no yɛsrɛ mo yɛwie mo nyinaa mo nkɔ na enke nyansafoɔ na yɛmfa agorɔ nhyehyɛ so. You are still live on Loud Silence TV.